All Manipur Muslim Meitei Pangal Welfare Association Ampwa gi Central Executive Committee CEC na Dr. MANERUDDIN SHEIKH LEIKHIDABADA AWABA PHONGDOKKHRE MD Akhtar Hussain Vice President Ampwa na preside tawduna phamkiba emergency meeting amada Dr. MANERUDDIN SHEIKH na LEIKHIDABADA awaba phongdorakli. Dr. MANERUDDIN SHEIKH veteran physician ama oibada natana eminent educationist amadi politician ama oina miyamgi chawraba thodang sing lawramki. Kumja lising ani ga kunmanga amadi lising ani ga kuntaret lising ani ga taret phawbuda Manipur Legislative Assembly gi speaker amasu oiramki. Dr. MANERUDDIN SHEIKH Ampwa gi active founder member amasu oiramki. Mahakna Leikhidabada imungda nanghori ba awabadasu Ampwa na saruk yaki.